Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this specific video, I'm going to talk about the MINU token. This token is a new minor token, and I'm going to explain what is MINU token. I'm going to go over the tokenomics, and I'm going to do a price prediction video of a technical analysis. And inside this video, I'm also going to give my personal opinions on the MINU token. MINU token is the first mining dog coin on the Binance Smart Chain with its own decentralized app. MINU token is giving an 8% daily return to its miners in form of BNB. While MINU native token is constantly increasing the total value locked of its miner with a 2% of every transaction, both buy and sell. Going to contract of the miner, only MINU holders have the ability to start mining and earn daily rewards. Tokenomics of the MINU token. 5% liquidity for DEX, 5% liquidity for SEX, 6 to 8% is for public sale, 82 to 84% is burned. This is a great thing. Of any coin out there should have the amounts of burned tokens inside the tokenomics. MINU token has 5% tax, which 2% goes to the TVL or total value locked of our miner to back it up. Now, I'm going to give you the price, and then I'm going to give you a price prediction video, technical analysis. What you see in front of us here is the actual chart of the MINU token. And now I'm going to go over the price prediction. For any coin that's new out there, this can fluctuate because, as we all know, a lot of coins actually need volume. But the volume is there actually because, as we see here, we have several different green candles more than red. This is the actual volume. This is the volume down here. So as you see here, we have great volumes. And we were from 20th to today, actually, we went sideways for 2 days before we had a huge pump here and saw a top on top here. What I think can happen to this episode here is we have one target there, and then we have, I'm going to change this into yellow. So what we have here, we had lower high, a higher high than the previous, and we also had a higher high than the previous there, and then we bounced huge amounts here. This is the reason why we bounced, because of the buying volume. I think we could actually see probably a little downwards trend again, and we could test this level here. You could test the actual level that's right here. You can pause the video if you want to have the exact price there. So this is something I think can happen because a lot of people was buying on this date here, but when they actually see a lot of people buying and the price increase like this, usually we see a downward trend before we can see a new spike up to the upside. This coin has gone up 400 or something percent the last day alone. And I think this has great potential because it actually has something of value behind it. It's a miner, and I'm going to go into details in a few minutes here. But first, I just wanted to have a target. So first, I think we could see a downward trend to this level here. And then I think we could actually see I could put a line here so you actually see better where I'm actually saying. I think we could actually see this level here again, but before this we need to go through this level here. Why am I saying this on the downward trend? Because any coin can be traded on a downward trend, but this coin has something of value behind it, because I'm going to show you in a few seconds. When I did this analysis here, from my personal analysis of this coin now, I think we are going to try to test this level again before we actually go up in price here. So what's my target on the upwards trend here? My target is, if we decide to go a bit sideways here and then up, we could see a potential target of a upwards trend there on around here. So this is if we decide to actually go up, okay? But when we are going to go down, I think this target here and these two targets are supports, are kind of great support levels, but this is the actual support level that's gone sideways to today. This could change fast. You shouldn't rely on this analysis by itself, because let's say it's going to come here a huge amount of buying pressure. So let's say this is one candle that spikes that hard, then we could actually see probably a price up here or something. So this was just a short analysis. If this video gets a lot of views, I will probably do a more in-depth analysis when I have more details, because I had to do this on actual DEX tools. You can find it here yourself on the DEX tools, and you can see the amount created and the amount raised. But what I want to come and talk about is this here. The actual volume increase has increased by 389% last 24 hours alone. So that explains the actual price increase. Then we have a 355 or 414% increase in price last day alone. So if I was going to buy this coin, I would probably wait a bit to it actually fluctuate and goes a bit sideways, and then I would probably put in a buy position. But I would probably wait, but I'm going to show you something that's quite cool actually. If you go to the website I will have below this video, you can click on the start mining. So I will not have a wallet connected here, but you just click this button here and you click hire miners, and then you will actually be specified that you actually log in to actual wallet. Then you can just purchase a miner here and you will receive 8%, up to 8% a daily on this miner here. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is a lot of these coins actually have a lot of value in the start, but then they fluctuate and they see that their amount in their actual wallet of the coins increase, and then sometimes these type of people actually sell. So I would be very cautious if you're going to use this. Do not use any more than you have to lose with any token out there. That's very new, okay? That's the first thing. My personal opinions on this token is, if they do the things they say in the white paper, it could potentially be a good project. But how long can they actually give profits from BNB? That's a question by itself. But you're very new, so if you want to earn 8% returns, you can take a look here. Do not invest more than you have to lose. I'm trying to say this as humanly possible in a way that you understand it. So now we've gone over several different details in this video. And I hope you all liked this MINU token video. I have several different links below this video. I also have links to some exchanges where you can get some great bonuses when you put in and you use those links. I'm talking to you that's sitting there at home. You just find my video on the MINU token and you need to have a bit of knowledge and you want to start in crypto. I'm talking to you that's sitting there, doesn't have a lot of money, but you want to get enough so you can actually start investing in cryptocurrencies by yourself. So I'm talking to you that's sitting there on the chair or on the sofa. Make sure you learn as much as humanly possible. And when I say learn, I will have a link below this video to a book 100% for free. You can download the ebook, and if you read that whole book and you still have problems, contact me on Telegram. Hope you all have a great day. I hope you like this video and make sure you learn as much as humanly possible. And eventually we'll learn, my friend. Hope you like this MINU token review. Have a great day. Take care.